Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to build a simple to-do list web app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is a beginner-friendly project, and by the end of this video you'll be able to add tasks, mark them as complete, and delete them. This is what our final project will look like. I can type a task, click Add, and it appears in a list. If I click on it, it gets crossed out, meaning I've completed it. And I can also delete task using this button, Delete. Now let's build this step by step together. First, we're going to create the structure using HTML. Before that, you'll open a folder of your choice. I've created mine called Presentation 2, and we'll create the file index.html as such. Here, I've already have the basic HTML structure with the title To-Do List App and my H1, My To-Do List. Now, inside the body, I will add the input that lets the user type a task. Now, as you can see, I have this AI that allows me to tab and input. Now, it is not going to put everything that I want it to put, so we will adjust it as needed. This will say enter a task, and then the button will be add task. This has said new, but all to your liking. Now this is the add task button. And then last but not least, we will add the unordered list that will display our tasks. Now, it already has the AI inputted, but we will change it to task list. And this is what is beautiful about the customization of, oh, look at that, a lot of different. Now we will add functionality using JavaScript. This is our basic HTML structure for the unordered list, the button that will call the function called add task, and our input that lets the user type a task. Now we will save this and move on to our JavaScript. Now, in our JavaScript, we will add functionality. First, we will get the value the user typed. Oh, did I spell something wrong? Now, next, we will add a lot of sounds. Sorry, that's distracting me. Okay, this prevents empty tasks from being added. Now, if this is correct, here we will create a new list item and assign the text to it. Here, when the user clicks the task, it will get marked as complete. This is where the cross the line comes through. If I can get it correctly here. And that is the line through cross effect. Next, we will create the delete button so users can remove tasks. And last but not least, we will add the task to the list and clear the input box. Now, we will go and check for mistakes here. One moment. Oh, sorry, guys. I believe this is supposed to be tax text, but it wants to correct me. All right. Last but not least, completely optional if you'd like, is a style CSS. This is a very basic styling for the boxes, but nothing so major for design. But if we would like, we can add more CSS to make it more pretty and visually pleasing to the eye. And then obviously to link our style sheet inside, we will just go inside our body, inside our head, and we will link the style ref. All right. And then for the styling, we will add some more just to make it look a bit nicer. This is something I did previously. So now we will stop our website and we will go live again. So with this, with this, with this optional styling, it's changed the font, and now we can enter a task. Oh my goodness. It's not letting me